Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Manjeera and you are watching ETC, and also welcome to our balcony. This was the most ignored place until a week ago, but now this looks better than the house itself. This is how it used to look. The pigeons would fly in and spoil the balcony. So to avoid that, we bought this anti-bird net from Amazon and installed it to the grill of our balcony. These nets are also available in different sizes. Now for the seating, I have used an old trunk that was lying in the house and painted it with yellow. I have added plaster of Paris and water to get a matte finish because acrylics end up looking glossy. To lemon yellow, I have added a little bit of orange and added a spoonful of plaster of Paris, and then I've added a little bit of water and mixed it well. I have applied 2 coats of this paint. I have already painted this top using Asian emulsion paint in white color and also a little plaster of Paris and water. I'm going to show you how I've done it. I have decided to paint only 3 sides of the trunk because the other 3 sides are not going to be visible. Also, please don't mind my poor painting skills. The paint was too thick and was not spreading evenly. Adding POP to any gloss paint is going to make it chalk paint. So I have used POP in painting all of these decor pieces. After painting all the 3 sides, I made this pattern on the yellow side using white acrylic paint. Here is the final look of the trunk. For the second decor item, I have taken a cardboard and cut it into 7 squares of same size and painted them with teal color. My squares have sides of 13.5 centimeters each. You can go for a bigger size as well. To get the steel color, I have used white, blue, and green. I have adjusted the proportions. I don't really know how much of color I've added in. Using double tape, I've stuck them to the wall by leaving 1-inch gap between two squares. I felt it looked too plain and started painting a pattern over it using white acrylic paint. This one is a very easy method to give your space a quick new look. For the third decor piece, I have joined 4 cardboard pieces to make a frame and selected a newspaper which had small text and no color images. And then I've painted the frame with magenta pink color. And cut the excess. After drawing a rough sketch with pencil, I started painting over it with acrylic paints. I've also made this slate from an old tray. I've mixed plaster of Paris and water to black paint and made it chalk paint. This way you can turn any surface into a blackboard. This is a very old shoe rack which we painted white and converted it into a plant stand. Now it's time to arrange all the things that we've made. That is an old dupatta which I've used to cover the pipes that are lying behind, and this is the cushion cover that I made out of old denims. I've made a video on it. I'll leave the link of the video somewhere here. And here comes the showstopper. That is a 20-year-old mirror which changed the entire look of the balcony. Broken but still makes everything look pretty. Later I've added some more elements here and there, and this is the final look of the balcony. I had so much fun creating this lovely corner. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.